Hello programmers, I'm Yash, sole programmer at planetvearcity, a place where programmers come to learn, build and grow. Welcome to new tutorial series on shell scripting. In this video, we will be covering introduction of shell scripting and write a hello world script. Before we begin, I recommend you guys to watch my Linux command line tutorial series. I have posted the link in the description. That tutorial is a prerequisite to this tutorial series. Moving along, I will assume you understand basic Linux commands. Let's get started with introduction. Shell script is a computer program designed to be run by the Unix or Linux systems. There are many different types of shell such as the Bourne Shell, the C shell, the Korne Shell, the Bourne-Again shell. The shell is a real programming language. It has variables, control structures, and everything you will ever need. Good thing to remember is no matter how complicated a script gets, it is still just a list of commands executed sequentially. In this tutorial, we will be using the Bourne-Again shell. Let me go ahead and open up my terminal. So I'll open up my terminal and guys, I am on Mac OS on my MacBook, but if you have any Linux operating system, it does work because they all come with a terminal. So if you have Ubuntu or even Windows 10 comes with PowerShell now, so you can go ahead and follow the tutorial series. Okay, so first of all, to find out where our shell is located, go ahead and type this command in your terminal, which bash, and you will get this output. As I told you, we will be using the Bourne-Again shell. That's what this means. Make a note of the location of bash. We will be needing it later. It's time for hello world. So I'll clear this out, and first I'll go to my desktop, and I'm on my desktop, and I'll go ahead and create a file. So touch, and I'll say hello world.sh. So the thing is, the file extension is not required, but I recommend that you use it. It makes it easier to identify file and its type. Okay, so I will go ahead and create the file after this okay, and the file is there on the desktop. I will be using Visual Studio Code for editing purposes throughout the tutorial. The way you get it is you go to Google Chrome, type in Visual Code Studio and click on the first link, and it will automatically identify your operating system, and just hit this button and install the way you install stuff on your operating system, and you are good to go. One more thing I'll like to tell you is the way you install. So what I'll be doing in the, okay, that's my script, don't worry about that. The way you install plugin is you go, I think you hit Shift Command P. Oh, okay, that's how you do it. On MacBook, you do Command Shift P, and you will see the screen. And somehow you can figure out for Ubuntu or Windows, like just find an alternative how to do this, but you should be able to install plugins, and you will type in shell and you install code command in pat. That's what you will need to install, and you will be good to go. Okay, so that's that. Let me close my script and cancel. Okay, back here. So the way I'll open up my file is from the terminal. I'll type in code hello world.sh, and bam, my Visual Code Studio or whatever they call it, it's open. And here let me increase my size so that you can see that's too much. Okay, so it's supposed to be a hello world. Probably we can do more, so let's go ahead and do the hello world part first. So we'll do echo and we'll say hello. Oh, okay, we forgot one thing. We need hashtag bang, and then we will pass in the thing I told you to remember, which is, once again, we can figure that out, which is which bash, and we need to copy and paste this right here. So I'll say bin bash. You need to do this, just do it. And next thing we'll do is hello world. So type in echo and hello world. Just to make it beautiful, we will say /n/n, and let's do it at the end as well, which is okay, and save the file. And let's go back and try to run the code, run the script. So the way you run the script is dot slash, and you will say hello world.sh, and bam. Why? It says permission denied. You cannot run the script. So let's go ahead and try to do it with sudo ./hello world.sh. Oh, okay. I'll type in my password and still nothing. The reason is when you use touch command, you use this command to create a file. What happens is, so let's go ahead and see the file permissions of our file. Okay, so I'll say ls long, and you can see that we don't have execution right. Like not only we being user, even group or others, nobody has the execute right. So let's go ahead and give execution right to the user. So we will do chmod u plus x, and we will type in the name and clear this out, and let's go ahead and try again. So /hello world.sh, and ooh, what happened? I think okay, I think I messed up somewhere. I feel it. Not this. And let's go ahead and run it. Okay, and we get the escape character. I don't know why. Let's go ahead and figure it out. So echo bash escape characters. Okay, the way we will do is we will do -e, and probably the guy should understand what we mean. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that's how you do it. You need the -e sign. Well, we were quick in finding the solution, right? Okay, let's put two more and make it look good, and save the file. And here, run it again, and you can see hello world right there. So you should start to feel the power of shell scripting right here. So this was one of the basic commands. If you remember from my past videos, we created like a colorful stuff. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, 033, which is for escape character, escape, and C for escape, and then we will do 0. I think there was 4 for underline, 5 for blink, and 36 for cyan. And we will end this, and let's see it now. It's going to look amazing. So this is what I teach in the Linux command line tutorial series. That's why I highly recommend you guys to go ahead and see that. And look at this, looks super cool, right? So that's it for this videos. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them in the comment. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like. I'll see you guys next time.